keke now. Everything is working according to plan.
One more.
Enter the keke now.
No. I will not enter the keke.
I said enter the keke now.
No, I will not enter the keke.
What is going on? Now enter the keke.
No.
What is wrong with you?
Nothing is wrong with me.
I said enter the keke now.
No.
How dare you challenge me?
Shut.
What is going on? What is happening?
I don't know. Are you sure? Touch her again.
I've touched her. This is the third time I'm touching her.
Touch her again.
Little girl, enter the keke.
No.
Come and see others. Come inside.
No, I wouldn't go inside.
I'm taking you.
Your mates are here.
No, I don't want to go to Surprise.
Okay, she's ready now.
Leave me.
How dare you challenge
Keep
me?
shut.
You want to slap me?
Yes.
You this little rat. How dare you?
Don't call me a rat.
Now enter inside.
No.
If you do not enter inside, I will force you to go in.
No, I won't go in.
Take her inside. Take her inside.
Just leave me. Leave me.
I said take her inside.
Leave me. Auntie. This woman and this man, they want to take me into this keke.
Young man, what's going on
Hey, young lady, go your way. You are actually going your way. Just go your way.
Young girl, what are you saying? What's going on?
They want to take me to the shop right. And I don't want to go to the shop right. I was just going somewhere. I had to go and meet my friend. She told me I should wait. And she placed this rubbish and sticking whatever she hold on her hand.
Madam, why are you forcing her to enter inside this keke? Why are the both of you forcing her to enter inside the keke?
We are going to shop right. Didn't you hear her?
Two children are inside here. She placed that.
Madam,
She
this
placed
not
that thing on the head.
this is none of your business.
You guys are
joking.
Jesus! What people do to these children?
Ma, look at that thing.
What?
Don't be close to her. Don't be close to her. She can place it on your head.
No, but I will show
I will do it now. Yes, take her.
Leave me.
Take her in. Don't do this. Don't be angry. I will do it now. I will make it happen. Please.
Who back that keke there?
Leave. No. Leave now.
I said no, I'm not going anywhere.
We don't have time. We don't have time.
Why are they making noise? Now, but people should stop parking keke in this estate. Push this keke come up here now. Hey, who is good afternoon? Who is on this keke?
I'm the one.
Where is he? Give me your thing. I don't think people should stop parking keke in this estate. Keke is not allowed to move. I have no of this keke.
Oga, no, he cannot go. He did something to these small children inside there. He cannot go.
I don't understand what you are trying to say.
I'll do what you do now.
Okay, madam.
Don't tell me without your
Are you
bad
the owner of
eye.
this keke?
I'm the owner of the keke.
So who is this woman to you? Who is this one to you?
She's my madam. This one, I don't know her problem. Go to where you're going.
I said I'm not going anywhere.
Madam, hey, calm down. Hey, what is going on here?
Don't go anywhere.
Hey, it's okay. What is going on here?
I will do it.
What is she saying? Which one is so you? Mayu, tell me what is going on here?
I was passing, this little girl come here and told me that they used something to place on these children's head.
And they also place it on my head.
She placed it on top of your head.
Yes.
Why?
I don't know what they want to use it for.
Okay. This is your madam. This woman is not talking. What is going on here?
Oga, we are going to somewhere. You people should go. Don't worry, I'll settle everything. Madam, you can go.
I'm not going anywhere.
Space.
Look at the children.
Hey. Hey.
You see, I'm saying the truth.
Listen, man, don't worry. Okay, you can go.
Oga, what did you do to this thing? Oga, I'm asking you, what are you this speaking with there?
Nothing. We are going to shop right.
Oga, if you don't say the truth now, if you put that here now.
Oga, see, he's moving.
He's angry.
So it's truth. Madam, I'll do what you did to this children. If I say I'll do what you did, hey, come here.
Don't worry, I'm coming so that we'll just. Madam, I'm coming, okay?
Oga, he's running. He's running.
Come here. Ah, that's a good go.
Oga, why did you allow him to go now?
Calm down. Since you have this woman, wait, let me check. Don't worry, this keke is not going to move you. Madam, undo what you did to children. Undo it. Undo what you did to children. Undo it. Oh yeah, follow that side and do it. Undo it. Let's go, undo it.
And do what you do to the child.
Madam, do this handwork. Wait there, okay? Don't cut down. Follow me. Follow me now. Follow me. Come on, stand here. I do to calm down. Calm down. Everybody calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Come here, you come. Come. What is your name? Armstrong. What is your name? Your name is Paul. Thank you so much for this information, okay? Madam, this is what people are doing. Where are you going to? You're going to buy something. You can go. You go wherever you're going to, okay? Okay, please, so much. Thank you so much for this keke, but please help me and do something. I want you to stay with this keke. Let me go and call my second, okay? I'm going with this woman.
What about this girl?
Where are you going to?
I wanted to go and meet my friend.
Wanted to go and meet your friend?
Yes.
You can now go and meet your friend, okay? Thank you so much for the information, okay? Okay?
Thank you.
Please, my dear, just thank you for the. God bless you. But please stay this keke. Don't go anywhere, okay? Let's go. Let's go. Go.
He's angry.
Go. Madam.
He's angry, Oga. He's angry. I need to complete this mission.